BSLK Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So both project holdings been sitting at 70 cents. Yeah, 140% gains is just out of this world, and I love to see that. And I myself am still going to look at this from a bullish lens before I go further. Obviously, I've done 4 years, 32,000 videos, and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships to figure out exactly what's been working for me. And I'm sharing it with you for free here in this video. Now, if you want to learn the strategy yourself, just click the first link in the description, like all reviews are 5 stars. But the way that I'll move forward here is I'm looking at it from a bullish lens, but the last thing that I'll do is just like randomly place a buy. That's why it's a strategic way of that where I would only move forward and buy if I see a little retracement and a double break. If the price just goes without me, so be it. But if I see that double break, then that's cool. So that's how BSLK looks like. All I'll do in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.